Now that we have understood what are total number of possibilities, now it becomes very easy to solve any probability. Now we'll talk about how to mathematically represent events and to get the probability. Okay, so we'll have to define an event. Normally in the questions we define the event as A or a B. Let the event A be the event A be the something something. So we normally call the events to be as A and B, which would represent something to happen or some certain event to happen. So let me say I'm rolling one die and A is an event to get a 6. So when I am defining A to be as an event to get a 6, I would say what is the probability of getting an A. Now you can see mathematically I'm not saying what is the probability of getting an A directly A equal to something. I'm saying P bracket of A, that means the probability of getting an A is equal to the number of possibilities of getting a 6 upon number of total possibilities. Okay, so total number of possibilities is what we already dealt in the last class. So we know that if I am rolling one single die, I have total number of possibilities of 6. Okay, and what is the possibility of getting a 6 on such a die is only 1. So I would say one such possibilities arise. Okay, let us consider the second example. Suppose I say let the event A represent getting a ace, getting a ace from a deck of playing cards. So what is the probability of getting an ace in my playing cards? So again I'll say what is the number of probability of getting ace upon the number of total possibilities or the total number of cards that I am holding in my hand. Now I told you that the total number of cards that we have in our hand is 52, out of which how many aces are there? So 4. So what is the probability of getting an ace? It's going to be total number of probabilities of getting an ace upon all the possible outcomes that we can have. So that is 4 upon 52, and I would have an answer of 1 by 13, and that's the probability of getting an ace. Okay, so this is how we mathematically represent. The two videos that we saw before were all about creating the base. Now this is where we are using the knowledge of having the total number of possibilities, and now we can use them very efficiently to find the probability.